Does your aga look like this? Well, don't throw them away. The Foodie Flex is here to save the day.
Did you like that intro? Let me know in the comments below. Today, we're flexing Bunelos Aga, aka banana donut, cause it's aga good for you.
Alrighty, enough playing. Let's get right into business. First, peel your bananas and with a fork, smash them into pieces like so. Then you're going to add in the rest of your ingredients, which are 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 large eggs, and a 1/2 cup of full cream milk, or just milk. Give that a nice mix. Don't worry about it being a little runny because that's how it should be. Quick tip, I highly suggest using an ice cream scooper. Easy frying, less mess, and less stress. In a pot, pour in your oil of choice. Here I am using olive oil. I am using the chopstick method, where if you dunk the chopstick into the oil and it starts to bubble, then your oil is pretty much ready. Again, using your ice cream scooper, scoop some batter from the bowl and dunk it into the pot. Make sure not to overcrowd or else the donuts will stick together, and sis, we don't want that. Monitor it closely, making sure both sides are nicely browned. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, your donuts are ready. Also, I have a little announcement.
Whoa! I messed up on my glaze. So, if you're wondering why I have a different outfit, it's because I messed up on my glaze. So we're gonna do it again. Let's go.
Cool. So to make the chocolate ganache, I am using 1 part half and half, or you can use milk, to 2 parts chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. I warmed up 1/2 cup of half and half up to where it is almost boiling. Then I put it off the heat and add in 1 cup of chocolate chips. I continue to stir that until it is nice and smooth like so. Assemble your banana donuts and drizzle that lovely ganache all over it. Look how delicious that looks. Oh my goodness.
Let's go try it out. So it's kind of cooled down a little bit, and so that means the chocolate kind of hardened up too. So let's see this one. Good, look at that. Has that slight crispiness on the outside, but then when you bite into it, it's so fluffy. Oh my gosh. Because I have some chocolate drizzle on top of it, I didn't put sugar in it. Oh my gosh. Guys, you're missing out.
Want more sweet goodies? Well, I got you covered. Check out this dessert recipe here that you can easily make at home as well. What better time to get your sweet fix than the holidays? And if you enjoyed this video,
Consider subscribing
so you don't miss another video from me. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.